Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add an outline in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. Outline in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. First, open a document in Google Docs. To create an outline, you need to use heading style. Select the text you want to use as a heading. Then click the Style menu in the toolbar. By default, it may say normal text. Now choose a heading style such as heading 1, 2 or 3. Google Docs will automatically use these headings to create your document outline. Do this for every headings. Now click View from the top menu and then choose Outline sidebar. A panel will appear on the left side of your document. Your headings will now appear in the outline. You can click any heading in the outline. Google Docs will immediately take you to that section of the document. This is especially useful for long documents, reports, essays, and research papers. So, there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.